I truly believe there's a natural remedy that can help almost any ailment, and it can be as simple as a free cup of tea. Some of my daily ingredients are known for their miracle-like abilities, including moringa and hibiscus. Another favorite of ours is Jiaogulan. It's also known as the Immortality Herb, and for good reason. When used regularly, tea from the Immortality Herb is believed to promote a long, healthy, and disease-free life. Knowing all of that, it makes sense for us to add it to our daily routine. In fact, we add it to our tea every day. And for herbs that good, that's why we grow it. Now, we grow Jiaogulan indoors so that we can have it year-round, and it's pretty easy to grow. This girl here, she started off under a grow light for about 12 hours a day, and then she just took off. The care process has been pretty simple because we haven't had to play the guessing game with water. We used this blue mat system, and the best part about it, the plants will tell you when they're thirsty, making it hard for you to over or underwater. Now that in itself conserves water, a huge plus here in Phoenix. Did you know that on average we get less than 8 inches of rain per year? And you know that number is dropping. So here's how it works. The system is built around these clay cones. They're called carrots. They're standalone sensors that monitors the moisture in the soil and in the roots. Each carrot regulates when water is released. So when the plant gets thirsty, these drippers will slowly release water. And every plant is getting individually watered. And what's nice is we don't have to use any electricity. It's a gravity-fed system. We simply have to make sure that the reservoir stays full. Now, we've left the system for more than 4 days, and our 5-gallon reservoir still had water left in it when we returned. So the system definitely helped make the process more convenient. It gave us some flexibility. Now, besides watering, we fertilize the plant every 2 weeks, and that's really it. And since the plant is indoor, we can add it to our tea year-round. It's just one way to grow your meds. So whether you've got a stomach ache, a cough, or you just can't sleep, look to natural remedies for some relief. We've got a whole page on our site. It's greendesert.org. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for even more.